Hala ka. Sorry, wako ka pang limpyo. Hala. Ayan na. Oh, sulod lang sa water. Wow. Wow. Greg, palit sa ditugkuan, Greg.
Hello guys! Narali ka, narali mo?
Ako.
Oh,
Woo!
pinanichik mo.
Yay! Yay! Thank you! My go! Salamat! Say hi! Hi sa...
Hi!
LDC! Hello everyone! It's me, Renslow. Wow, it's a great day for me. It's a big early Christmas gift for me, the big blessing for me. Hello everyone. I'm going to unbox my early Christmas gift. And this is unexpected because my friend from United States of America gave this a very big gift. Okay, and thank you so much. Before I open the box, thank you so much for hold on. And before I open the box, I would like to thank you, my very, very good friend. And wow, this is a big blessing for me. All of us makes us smile because of the very big gift coming from you. And this is my first time in my whole life that I receive this very big gift. Wow. I'm so excited what's inside this box. And thank you so much, my very supportive friend in US. Thank you so much. My feelings is very happy because, you know, as a simple life living, simple human being, that ordinary person, I feel that I am special because this is a great blessing, a very big blessing for me. And thank you so much. Now I'm going to unbox. I can't wait to see what's inside the box. Okay, and let's go, guys. Okay, enjoy while I'm going to unbox the very big box here. Okay. So, I'm going to use scissors. But before that, a safety reminders, please be careful to use scissors or any sharp objects that before you use. Don't mind my English, guys. I am practicing English every day while I am talking English. But, okay, let's start now. Oh no. Oh no. It's hard to open. Ta-ding, ta-ding, ta-ding. Oh, there is a list here. Woo, thank you. Wow. Big appreciation. Very big appreciation. Okay. difficult to open, guys. Difficult to open. Ganito pala. Ganito pala yung pakiramdam. This is how we feel. The excitement. Oh my gosh. Ang hirap! Hirap naman ito. Oh my gosh. Wow! Okay. Oh, this is it. Oh, my gulay. Wow. Ah. Smells US. Okay, hold on. So, here we go. Yan. Wow. Thank you. Oh, may letter pa. Taglit, kukunin ko muna yung eyeglasses ko. Hello, mahal. Hope you will have fun seeing all that's in this bag, and hopefully you can use it. You can use all of it. The loose clothes and the bags. If it doesn't fit you, then just give it to someone else who can use it. The underwear in a plastic bag. If it doesn't fit you, you maybe can give to your niece because it looks like it would fit her. Once you receive this box, let me know so we both can open it up. Okay? Oh my gosh! May kasamang ulam. Thank you, mahal. Thank you. Okay, and I will call you because I received now. So before I see what's inside here, I will text you. But how can I message you if I will use my phone? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna message you first.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, thank you for big early gift for me. At yung pasasalamat ko mula sa puso sa pagtanggap ko nito. Thank you so much. This is my first time that I received the very big package in my whole life. As ordinary person, ordinary human being, talagang sobrang masaya ako. Sobra yung kasiyahan ko kasi ito yung malaking natanggap ko this year. Like, you know, my happiness is overload happiness. Overload happiness talaga. And, well, now, let's join me to see my unboxing. My
Okay.
unboxing
Mm.
package all the way from United States of America. And okay, let's start, guys. Enjoy watching me. And wow, I'm gonna show you. Okay. So this is what's inside, guys.
Ooh.
Right? Hmm. Wow! Oh, kay kaibigan ba to? Kaibigan?
Mm.
Thank you, kaibigan.
You're welcome.
Wow. Woo! We have
Ooh.
t-shirt. Yay! Happy New Year to me. Happy New Year to me. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Oh, we have stock.
Oh,
Happy New Year to me. Thank you. Woo!
Kay Giselle yan.
Yay!
ano?
Tingnan ko.
Kay Giselle.
Woo! May kasya to sa akin, mahal.
Oh, subukan mo.
Kasya lang sa akin. Yan, so, underwear. Okay, and then, the letter was here. Thank you so much.
Gusto niya eh.
And, woohoo! Thank you.
Wow.
Wow! Uy, ang ganda! Ang ganda!
Mm.
Very nice! Yay!
Wow.
So, what else? Ah! Wow! Soft cotton! Wow! Thank you! Oh, oh, there is a belt here. Sa'yo ba ito, mahal?
Ano yan?
Wala,
Mas-
ang ganda. Wow.
Ah, belt.
Belt.
Oh.
Galing to sa'yo?
Oh.
Ay, sa'yo to?
Oh.
Wow. Uy, thank you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Woo! Uy! Wow, ganda! Wow,
Mm.
thank you.
Wow.
Thank you. Walang katapusan na kasiyahan. Ah, ito, susuotin ko ito ngayon.
Ha?
Kasi malamig doon sa ano. Susuotin ko ito.
Okay. Good.
Thank you. Ito ba yung uunahin ko? Hold on, I'm going to get Caesar.
What's that?
So, before you use Caesar, handle with care. Safety precautionary measure.
Mm.
What is this? What is this?
Kabayang buntis.
Hindi ko alam. Harap,
Ah, babaeng buntis.
harap mo sa, ano,
Okay.
sa camera para makita ko. Ah, banalot ko yan. Nakalimutan ko kung anong yan.
Yung ano?
Oo, kasi it's been 3 months, I think 3 months.
Mm.
Wala akong ano. So, ito na lang. Wala akong cutter.
Ay,
Ayan.
ang laki naman ng kutsilyo mo.
Magulis yan. Saan ba yun? Oh my
Damn, you gotta
God.
use a big one.
Overload happiness. Overload happiness. Phew.
Hala. She's
Nakalimutan ko
gonna cut
ano,
her hand.
nakalimutan ko na anong laman.
Please welcome!
Ah, yung bra mo.
Ayun, bro!
Oo, bra mo yan.
Ilawas yung kamo.
Okay. Wow! Alam. Okay. Wow!
Ayan.
Hala.
Kasi sa akin.
Oh, lahat yan, kasya. Kasya yan. Oh,
Kasya.
mga bago yan.
Oh, walang katapusan na kasiyahan. Thank you. Guys, thank you, guys. Mahal,
Okay.
thank you, mahal.
Okay.
Kaibigan, thank you. Okay, next part of my program. My next part of my program. My black.
Mm.
And then this one.
Was there two of them?
Okay. And
Yeah, I think so.
please, another here. Yay! Oh, I love this one. I'm gonna use this one later.
Okay.
I'm going to my uncle. Thank you.
Mm.
And
Right.
the other one was, wow! Oh, I like this. Very soft cotton. Hello, maganda to.
Ano yun?
Oh, para sa ano,
Like a
maganda
dress.
soft cotton.
Ano yan?
Yay! Thank you for the blessing.
Ano yan? Pantalon?
And another,
Hindi niya dinig.
para siyang pajama.
Ah, pajama. Okay, okay.
Oh, that was mine then.
Maganda, maganda to sa ano, sa lamig.
Galing kay Bren yan.
Maganda to sa lamig. Thank you, kaibigan. Thank you. Overload happiness. Overload happiness. Okay, and then, wow, sexy. Oh,
Oh.
maganda to. Kasya to sa akin.
Okay, good.
Oo. Hold on. Subukan ko to ha.
Okay.
Hala!
Oh, kasya to.
Allah. Oh,
See?
tama-tama ah.
Wow.
Tama-tama
These were
lang.
my clothes.
Wow. Hindi masakit.
Hindi. Kasi ano siya, rubberized or
Oh.
garterized.
Stretchable yan.
Garterized.
Oh.
Stretchable,
Yeah.
ano.
Wow.
Thank you.
Ganda.
Next part of my program. Okay, hold on. For a while.
Tatanggalin niya pa.
Kamtam yung ano ko. Hold on for a while. Yung headset ko, mahal, for a while.
Okay.
Hold on. Ayusin ko muna yung headset ko.
Sige.
Okay. Okay. Bakit ang nangyari sa headset? Oh my gulay. Di bali na magsalita na lang ako dito kahit
Sige, sige.
hindi ko nagamit yung headset.
Okay. Ay,
Oh.
nawala yung video mo.
Hindi niyo matinig.
Okay.
Wala akong video.
Okay.
Ayan, okay. Bumalik na.
So, the next part of my program. So, what is this?
Kumain
Please
po.
welcome
Baka bra din yan.
another bra.
Oh, yan, yan.
Woo! Oh, kasya din sa akin to. Kasya.
oh,
Kasya din.
okay, good.
Oo, kasya.
At,
Mm. Oh, mas mabuti.
Maganda yung kulay.
Mas mabuti ka dahil hindi kasya sa akin eh.
Hold on. I'm gonna
Display?
try it. Yeah. I'm gonna try it. Oh, talagang kasya talaga.
Hmm.
oh,
Oh, see?
Oh, hala.
Oh,
Ganda. Wow.
uy, ganito. Ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung feeling na ganito, honestly.
Oh,
Ngayon ko lang naramdaman ito.
oh, good. Good.
Yung, ganitong kasiyahan,
Ah.
na nag-unbox ako ng ganitong malaking package.
Mhm.
Ngayon ko lang na-experience yung kasiyahan na ito.
Okay. Good.
Okay, and we have also the gray bra.
Oh.
Kasya din ito sa akin. Lahat
What?
kasya yun ng mga bra. And then, the next is,
sa kanya
what
lahat.
else? Oh! Uy, ganda!
No?
Tank
Oh,
top.
ang sexy!
Oh, tank top. Oh.
Oh, sa akin yan.
Oh.
Galing kay Bren yan.
Salamat. Kaibigan Bren, thank you. Oh, meron lang
That's
ganito.
when I was still small.
Ano yan?
Nasira na yung sa akin.
Ay,
Ay.
ano,
Ah,
spongy.
oo, yung sponge, parang sponge.
Spongy.
Oh,
Oo.
oh.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yay. What else? Oh, wow, I like the color red.
Yeah, see, that's mine too.
Yay.
Mm.
Wow, I love it. I love it.
Hindi na kasya
What
kay,
else?
hindi na kasya kay Bren.
Ah, ganun. Oh,
Oh.
this one also. I love it.
Yeah, that's
So
all mine.
sexy. Yay. Thank you.
Well, at least you didn't throw it
Overload,
away.
overload happiness, guys.
Woohoo!
I'm glad you didn't throw it away.
What?
Kwan yan, yung manicure. Oh,
Wow, thank you, mahal. Thank you.
okay.
What's inside? Can I see? Ah, yung lalagyan.
Oh.
Oh, all the way from US! All the way from US, guys. Okay, what
Ilagay
else?
niyo yung zipper, baka mawawala.
Oh.
Tools.
Oh, what is
Wow.
this? Wow! So nice! Oh, this is,
Oh,
this
yeah.
is, ano ngayon? Yung
Anong
uso
pangalan ito?
ngayon.
Leggings.
Ganda!
Leggings yan, di ba?
Gusto open ko ito ngayon. Oo.
Ah, okay.
Ano siya? Bill or bell bottom or flare design.
Mm,
The cut.
mm.
So beautiful.
Leggings.
Leggings
Very
yan.
sexy to. At kasi ito sa akin.
Okay.
Thank you, kaibigan. Maraming salamat, kaibigan. Okay, what's this? Another sexy blouse. Thank you, kaibigan.
Mm.
More blessings to all of you guys. Oh,
Oh,
another set of lipstick.
Mm.
Yay!
mga lip gloss.
Wow.
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss yan.
Oo. Wow. I love it. I love it.
Wow. May isa,
Thank you.
isa pa.
May isa pa?
Isa pa.
So what's this? Oh my gosh!
Ano yan?
Ano yan?
Japanese cherry blossom.
Ah, oo. Oh,
Oh, body spray.
Hindi.
Body wash.
Body wash, oh.
Body wash.
Okay.
Wow.
So,
Thank you.
pag ano niya,
Wow.
maligo siya, yun ang gagamitin niya.
Wow.
Yun ang sabon niya.
Ano yan?
Oo. What's this?
Ano yan?
Bakit? Hold on.
Ay, hindi. Ibang, kwan, ibang laman. Ibang laman.
Ibang laman.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
I
yan.
love it.
Bamboo.
Mirror.
Bamboo, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. Pero bamboo.
Wow.
Oh, makeup kit.
Yeah.
From me.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
Mm.
Ang ganda nito.
Oh.
Yeah, that was
Ang
mine.
ganda.
I didn't want it.
Wow.
Pwede lalagyan ng mga cake.
oh.
Ayan. Yung mga
Okay.
fashion kung ganito dito sa ilagay.
Oh. Wow.
Yan.
You lucky girl.
Oh, come on. Wow. What's inside here? Okay. Para hindi siya... Oh, ito na yun. Mga sabon.
Oh, mga sabon. Oh.
may
Ang dami. Marami yan.
Ano
coming
yan?
from US.
Oh, cold.
yeah.
Oh my God,
Zest.
I'm so happy.
Barso.
Zest.
Barso.
Uh,
Ang mahal nito dito. Ang mahal nito.
oh? Di marami.
It's not ordinary soap here.
Di marami ka na.
Oo.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
what's up?
Revitalizing.
Oh,
Dove. Dove soap.
Yay. At my toothpaste.
Oh.
Colgate. Colgate brand toothpaste.
Oh.
Thank you for the blessing. Yay.
Allah.
Next.
Ooh.
Oh, please welcome another box here.
Kwan yan. Yung
Okay.
noodles. Noodles yan.
cup of noodles.
Ano doon?
Cup noodle. Oh, cup noodle.
The noodles is already in a cup.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just put water and you're ready.
Marami yan.
Ooh.
Lagyan mo lang ng tubig, mainit.
Kwan, iba-ibang flavor yan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ngayon ko lang ito naramdaman.
Oh, lagyan mo lang lagyan mo lang ako ng mainit ng tubig.
Tapos,
Wow! Ang sarap nito!
Oh.
Ang mahal nito dito, mahal. Ang mahal. Very expensive ito dito. Wow, ang dami.
Mura lang yan dito.
Guys.
Mura lang dito.
Mura?
Oh.
wala pang
Ah,
$50 ka mo. I mean, 50
Wow,
pesos.
ibang lasa.
oo, merong shrimp, beef, chicken. Ayan.
Oh.
Pwedeng baon ng mga anak mo.
Wow.
Oo.
Hala.
Instant. Easy to cook, easy to prepare.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh, please welcome again.
ano ba?
Para sa iyo yan.
Wow.
Para sa iyo yan.
Another party.
Ay!
Pante.
Woo! Meron akong Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Monday,
Oh.
Tuesday, Wednesday.
ilabas
Hindi
mo.
na siya water.
No. Don't take it out yet.
Tingnan natin.
Wala.
Oh, nakikita ko yung tsinelas mo. Yung tsinelas mo.
Sinelas.
Oh, tsinelas. Yung kon.
Hold on. Yes. Hold on. Wow. All the way from US, guys. Oh my gulay. Wow.
Woohoo!
Uy, kasya to sa akin.
Ay!
Oh, thank you. Maraming salamat. salamat. Maraming salamat, guys. Maraming salamat. Wow!
Yan yung slipper ang,
Oh my God!
Sandals ka.
oh, yung sandal. Sandal yan. Tignan mo kung kasya.
Gamitin
Oo
mo.
naman, Kasha.
Kasya, talagang,
Tingnan ko nga.
talagang laking ko ng pao mo.
Yan o.
Wow!
Oh my God.
Walang
Anong
walang
size
katapusan
yan?
na ano, na
Nine.
happiness na sa akin, guys.
Mm.
Meron pa yun.
Hala.
Thank you. This one that I told you. That you told me.
Ano yun?
Ano,
Ano yun?
yung pinakita mo sa akin last time, yung skirt.
Dami kang pinakita eh.
Skirt.
Ha?
Skirt daw.
Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Yan yung magandang skirt.
Oh, maganda. I love it.
Wow.
Hold on.
Hala. Hindi siya na makapal. Ay!
Sinukat pa. Hala.
That's nice, girl.
Wow.
My slipper pa. Hold on.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh, see.
Wow. Hala. Kasya-kasya ba?
Kasyang-kasya ba?
Kasya.
Okay. Good.
Kasya, oo. Kasya, oo.
Good.
Kasya talaga.
Woohoo. Ganda.
Oh, thank you, guys.
Ang
Thank
ganda.
you. Woo, thank you.
Nag-fashion show na
Okay,
siya.
next.
Nag-fashion show na si
Oo.
Renslo.
Next part of my program. Hold on, I'm gonna remove first my skirt.
Mm.
Okay. And then, wow! What's this?
Lip gloss.
Lip gloss.
Oh,
Lip gloss. Wow. Thank you again.
okay.
Magagamit ko talaga ito.
Mm.
And this is for the fish.
Oatmeal. At saka,
Oatmeal.
at saka para kay Happy. Pagkain para kay Happy.
Oo. Wow. Ngayon ko lang to naramdaman, guys. Sa buong buhay ko, guys. Ngayon ko lang to na-feel
Good.
sa buong buhay ko.
Oh, you deserve it. Ayan. Oh,
Wow!
marami yan.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
Ayan, meron na yun sa...
Oh, may happy.
Oh, para kay Happy yan.
Dog.
Makakasmile si Happy nito. What else? Wow! Ang sarap! Ang favorite! Okay!
Oh,
Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.
variety
More
pack.
blessing coming to you.
Oatmeal.
What's next?
Mm.
Okay. Wow. Oh, I love it. Maganda. Maraming salamat sa kaibigan. Maganda. And then, another here. Oh! Uy, masusuot tong anak ko to.
Ala.
Oh,
Ang
ay,
anak ko.
oh, yan. Galing sa akin yan.
Okay. Thank you, mahal.
Okay.
What else? And then, Nicole, wow. I have my brush now.
Oh,
My hairbrush.
oh, good.
Wow!
Yan yung bag.
Finally, I have my bag now. Ang saya-saya ko naman. Ang saya-saya ko talaga, promise. Ang saya-saya ko talaga.
Maganda yan. Maganda yan. Tama-tama para sa iyo yan. Woohoo!
Ngayon, kaya mo lang maglakad. Hindi na supot-supot.
Wow. Thank you.
Parang hindi
Thank you,
supot.
guys.
Wow.
What else? Asak. I have a sack here. Thank you again.
Mm.
What else? Oh, this is what you told me
Oh,
last
yan
time.
yung fan. Naka-charge na yan.
Lagay mo lang sa neck mo, kamo.
Oh, hanapin mo.
Sampay.
Hanapin mo yung button. Yung button.
Okay, hold on.
Oh.
Wow, ang bigat. Ala, ang mahal nito, mahal. Button, where are you?
Oh.
Ay, ito?
Tapos isampay
yan.
mo sa
Yeah.
neck mo. Isampay mo
Oh.
lang.
Oh!
Napipil mo?
Oh!
Baka baliktad naman ang nilagay mo.
Na-date ko na, oh.
Oh. Ayan. 3-speed yan, ha?
Change ko.
Sabi mo
3-speed yan. Basta ulitin mo yung pag-push ng button.
Oh my God! Oh, nakakaya naman.
Oh, pindutin mo ko ng
Kaya ako. Sa mga
Pindutin.
blessing.
ipindot mo ko ng 3 beses mag-off yan. Mag-off yan.
Oo.
Yan, isampay mo sa neck mo.
Oh, maganda yan kung pupunta ka sa bahay ng nanay mo.
Oo, mamaya. Wow.
Pagkatapos
Shine.
ipa-charge mo parang cellphone.
Oh, nandito. Kayo, no?
Okay. Wow.
Ano yan?
You
So,
lucky.
babalik ko muna ito.
You lucky girl.
You lucky girl.
Hey, I'm so lucky. I'm very lucky, guys. Thank you so much for the blessing. So, next part.
Makataas na yung pants, I mean dress niya.
Yeah.
Lalo siyang pakialam, basta madamit niya.
I don't mind.
Ano ka?
Ano yan?
Ano ito? Oh,
Ah,
ang daming pagkain.
Oo, mga chips.
Ah,
Hala.
gusto ko lang kainin ito, guys. Okay, hold on.
Mm.
Fritos, flavored. Uy, ngayon lang ako nakakain ito. Wala ito dito.
No.
Wala ito dito. Okay?
Oh, sige.
Masarap! Masarap!
Wow.
Honestly, ngayon lang ako nakakain dito. Hindi ko alam kung dito sa Philippines may ganito. Pero, kayo ko kinain kasi think man yung feeling ng yung pagkain niyo dyan.
Oh.
Kaya sinali ko sa vlog.
Okay.
Masarap siya.
Good.
Mm. Mm.
Narinig ko yung crunch.
Didig namin yung crunch mo,
Ang dami pang mga...
Wow.
Ito, marami siya mga
Oh, marami yan. Iba-ibang klase.
So, yan. So, next again, we proceed to the another part.
Proceed.
Mm.
Ano yung yellow?
Oh my gosh! Nasab na!
Ha?
Wow!
Oh, kanyan, pagkain na
So,
yan.
that can good.
Oh. Chef Boyardee.
Painit lang yan.
Wala yan
Oh.
dito.
Initin mo lang yan.
Ah,
Ready to eat.
ready to eat na ito.
Oh.
Wala pa ako nakita dito yung ganitong mga pagkain na ito.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I have my hair, ponytail. Thank
Oh.
you, mahal.
Okay.
Maraming salamat. Saglit, tapusin ko muna yung crunchy ko dito, guys. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi mo.
Oh,
Back
yung back scratcher. Oh.
Pwede mo pang extend out
Wow,
ka mo.
thank you.
Pwede mo ipahabaan.
Oo. Ito,
Oh, okay. Good.
so, another naman pagkain. Yay!
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh, onion rings naman yan.
Mm. So,
Oh, crunch, crunch.
I know. Ang ingay mo.
so, 2 pieces of this.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Ay, yan. Yan yung sinasabi ko.
Oh my God!
Yan ang sinasabi
There's your
ko.
chocolate. There's your chocolate.
Chocolate peanut yan.
Mahal to dito, mahal.
Mm.
Thank you.
Makikita mo yan sa SNR.
Nakikita ko doon sa mall. Ang
Oh.
mahal. Ang mahal ng ganito.
Mm.
Thank you. Matutuwa si Giselle niyan. Oh my gosh, ito pa.
Oo, dami yan, no?
Dami.
Ano yan?
Bigyan mo si Giselle. Mixed chocolates.
Oh, okay.
Ala.
Assorted chocolate.
Allah! Kawawa ka sa dentista!
Kawawa ang ipin mo.
I can't believe, guys. Oh.
Oh.
Wow, I feel special.
Baka
I feel special, guys.
mag-melt pa yan.
Ilagay ko ba ito sa ref?
Oo, sa
Ilagay
baba.
ko yan sa ref.
Kasi
Sa baba.
mainit yan pala.
Oo.
Advertise muna tayo. Rituals, buy it. Sell it.
Allah!
Oh my God.
Oh, pork and beans yan.
Thank you.
Oh.
Oh, ipainit mo lang.
Init na.
Ready to eat yan.
So, 3 pieces of this can.
Mm.
And also, 3. So, ito, apat ito,
Okay.
4. And then, 4 yan. And then also, beef paroni.
Yes.
1 can this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
1. Tama ka?
Oh.
Lagay mo lang sa, sa pot. I mean, yung sa, kaldero. Ay, ano ba yun?
Pot.
Parang
Ay,
maipainit
kaldero.
mo.
Oh.
Oo.
Sa pan.
Oh.
O sa pan.
Oh.
Oo.
Painitin mo lang.
Painitin mo na. Pwede na. O, yan.
Yan.
O, yan.
Vienna sausage yan. Sarap din
Lagot
yan.
ka.
Oh.
Bigyan ko ng sister-in-law ko nito.
Oh, okay.
Sister-in-law.
Oh, marami yan.
Bibigyan ko siya nito.
Oh, sige. At saka yung
mama ko.
at saka yung nanay mo. Oh.
Oo. Oh, ito na yung spam.
Oh, yeah.
The wait is over. The wait is over, guys.
Oh.
Finally,
Yan.
mamaya ulam namin ito.
Oh, sarap
the way
yan.
from US.
Sarap yan.
Pwede mo pirito yan, tsaka itlog.
Mm.
Oo. Pwede din sa bread. Ilagay sa bread.
Oh.
Oh.
Woo.
Thank you. Thank you. Wow, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed, guys. Ano ito? Ito yung pistachio. Oh,
Oh.
hala, ito pala yung pistachio.
Oh.
Hindi ako nakakain pa nito.
Laki ano? Laking bag.
She gonna taste it.
Oo. Pag i-open ito, mahal, may sealed ba ito?
Siguro.
Parang
May
sipla.
sealed?
Siguro. Tignan mo
Hindi ko
lang.
matikman.
Tignan mo lang. Kung may,
Yeah.
kung pwede pasil.
Oo, yung parang sipla.
Ala, parang wala.
Di magwa ko lang ko ng malit ng butas. Sa babaw.
Oh, try. Eh? Ano, kain na ako nito. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. This is how I feel guys, honestly. I'm sorry. I'm very like, I don't know my feelings now, but I am so happy. Titingnan ko kung anong laman ito.
Sige.
Parang ito siyang peanut.
Mm.
Kinakain ba ganito yung shell?
Hindi.
Ang tigas naman ng shell.
Huwag mo kainin yung shell.
Kaya nga, hindi ko alam kasi.
Mala! Ang ingay niya.
Masarap!
Oh, yan.
Lakas.
Wow.
Alam, masarap talaga.
Mm.
Alam, wala dito. Hindi, parang walang benta dito. Hindi ko alam. I don't know. Maybe I'm just being ordinary person, guys.
Okay.
Like, ngayon ko lang ito natikman.
Okay.
Mm.
Parang mani eh.
Yummy kaay.
Parang mani.
Mm.
Mm. Mas masarap pa siya sa mani.
Oh.
Oo.
Mas masarap pa siya.
Mm.
Mm-mm. Wow. Finally!
I'm looking at it.
Nakakain ako ng pistachio.
Oh, good. Good.
So, ay,
Hmm? Ala.
hold on. Hala na. Nasira yung ano ko, lalagyan ko ng ng phone. Hold on. Ayusin ko muna, guys.
Okay.
I-post mo na, mahal, para hindi mo okay. Post mo na yung video mo.
Mm.
Para hindi maano sayang. Okay. From the top of my lungs. Paano ba to? Na-post mo na?
Ano?
Post mo na. Yung video mo.
Hindi
Yan.
pa.
Live ka na. Yan.
Nagre-record pa ako.
Okay, ayan.
Okay. Sige.
So, the next is, oh my gulay! Shampoo, conditioner, body wash,
Oh.
cotton balls, and Lysol. Mowing.
Ayan.
Okay.
Woohoo.
Unboxing again.
Wow.
Okay. Unboxing. Okay. Yay! Yay!
Ala.
Okay, ayan.
Ala.
Oh my gosh!
Ano yan?
Wow!
Nakalimutan ko na.
Ang mga
Yung mga
shaver.
razor.
Shaver.
Oo.
Para sa mowing. Para sa
Okay.
mowing.
Sa mowing.
Para sa mowing. Okay. Okay.
Para sa landscaping. Landscaping. Okay. And the other one, wow! Oh
Mm.
my gosh, I'm so blessed. Oh my God. Thank you, Ma.
Yan sa shower
Ang
mo.
mahal nito
Oh.
dito.
Mabango yan.
Sa shower yan.
Mm-mm.
Kung ayaw mo yung sabon, yan ang gamitin mo. Shower gel.
Ah, okay, okay.
Mm.
Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Wow.
I'm sure there's
The other
some days na
one
sabon
is-
ang gusto mo. Some days you don't.
Ano yan?
Cotton balls! Yay!
Oh, yan. Cotton ball.
Magagamit ko to sa Maxi Peel.
Oh, Maxi Peel.
Maxi Peel. Okay, and the other one is... Hold on. Wow, body wash. Oh, coconut vanilla scented.
Oh, body wash.
Wow.
Yeah.
Maganda
I
yan.
can't believe that all the way from US, all the way from US, magagamit ko ito na kasi parang imported guys.
Oh.
Sobrang happy ko ngayon. Sobrang
Oh.
happy.
Oh,
Oo. Sobrang happy.
yan mabuti.
At saka yung rice. Wow!
Ano yan?
Oh,
Corned beef yan.
corned beef.
Corned beef, oh.
Mm-mm. So, tama ba ito, mahal? Anim lahat.
Oh,
Yan.
oh. Natanggal yung isa.
Oh, natanggal.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So, parang hindi naman nila
Maganda
kinukuha
yan.
yung iba.
Pag emergency,
Oh my gosh, yung
gamit
rice!
mo yan.
Ano pa?
Oo.
Ano pa?
Tapos yung rice, yung pinaka-last rice. Hindi ko nga, yan o, rice.
Yung kanin. Okay. Wow, you are a winner again. Nakaroon kang kanin na naman.
Oo. I won.
Oh.
And, from the bottom of my heart,
Mm.
thank you so much.
Okay.
It makes me feel special.
Mm.
Maraming salamat sa mga biyaya, sa mga blessing na natanggap ko ngayon.
Mm.
This is my first time that I received all of these things that here. Thank you.
You're
The
welcome.
big appreciation to all of you guys. Maraming salamat.
Oh, keep singing, girl.
Thank
Keep
you.
singing.
More blessings sa inyo.
Mm.
More blessings sa inyo, guys.
Okay.
And
Pero yung
God bless you always. God bless us all.
pero yung mga panty sa loob, yung lahat ng panty sa loob ng plastic bag, bigay mo na lang kay Giselle.
Pwede rin. Pwede rin magbigay rin ako sa cousin ko.
Okay.
Yung sa cousin ko, yung last time na nagpunta doon sa
Oh.
sa parents' house,
Oh. Okay.
bibigyan ko.
Okay.
Mag-iwan ka sa sarili mo.
Kaibigan friend. Thank you so
Hindi.
much. This is early Christmas gift for me. Early Christmas gift.
Na yun, marami kang dadala doon.
Oo, marami.
Tsaka tabi mo yan.
I-arrange ko ito.
Oh. Okay.
Baka
Tapos,
pagbalik mo wala ka na. Ayusin mo sa box mo kasi itago mo yung ganyan.
Mm.
Yung kaibigan ko
Oo,
nawala
naman.
Nawala yung niya kasi inubos. Pagbalik niya galing sa
Oo.
labas, nako, wala na daw siyang kakainin.
Oh. Ayan. Ngayon, marami ka ng ulam.
Yeah.
marami. Ito, masarap. Masarap.
Wow.
Yan, yung corn chips. Corn chips yan yata. Corn chips.
Mostly mga
Very
dilata
crunchy.
mo, yung mga dilata mo, hindi mo kailangan lulutuin na parang kunwari yung macaroni and cheese, hindi mo kailangan ipainit mo lang sa sa pot.
Mm. Oh.
Labas mo lang sa sa can tapos mo na sa sa pot. Yun, pwede mo nang
Easy to
ulam.
prepare.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Yan.
Wow.
You lucky girl.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
Lahat ng mga nabigay mo sa akin, sobrang blessed ako. Sa lahat ng mga up and down ko, nandyan ka. Sa lahat ng mga happiness, ikaw yung kasama ko.
Okay.
Thank you so much.